Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting Cyberghost VPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got good news. Today I'll share the latest Cyberghost VPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025, plus I'll show you exactly how to buy it with a discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. Cyberghost is one of the most reliable VPN services out there. Lightning-fast servers, strong encryption, streaming support for Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, plus a strict no-logs policy. Whether you're traveling, streaming, or just browsing safely on public Wi-Fi, Cyberghost has you covered. Here are the codes you can try. Ghost83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Cyber25, extra 25% off site-wide in 2025. VPN 20 off. Flat 20% off annual subscriptions, secure 15, extra 15% off monthly plans. Free month. Get 1 month free when you sign up for multi-year deals. How to buy Cyberghost VPN with a discount? Click the special link in the description. Pick the plan that works best for you, monthly, annual, or multi-year. At checkout, enter one of the coupon codes, confirm your savings, complete your order, and download the app. It's that simple, so don't wait. Cyberghost VPN deals like this won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing safely today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN discount codes and tech deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.